It came over to the storage unit to get the Bel Air. I'm going to take it out for its last little run. I'm going to take it and warm it up, fill it up with gas, and then I'm going to bring it back here and then put the cover on. Then later today or tomorrow or whenever, I'll come over and take the battery out and spray the manifolds and stuff with WD-40. It's been about a month since I last drove it, so I think I'm going to crank it to get a little fuel in the carburetor first, so I don't run that accelerator pump in a dry bore. And see if we can't get in here. It's kind of tight. I haven't hit the accelerator yet. Well, it's going to start without hitting the accelerator. All right, once to the floor. So you just get fuel up into your float bowl and you're not running these plunger style pumps in a dry bore. Alright, I'm going to let it warm up a minute, dust it off and stuff, and then we'll be ready to go. There we go, sitting out here in the sun, ready to go. Last ride of the season. For a little ride through Cranbrook while I'm out. Not going very fast. Still not much fall color here yet. I think that showed up. nasty speed ditches here. This is Lone Pine. Alright, I'm gonna turn camera off to get going. Big estates on Lone Pine. Coming back up on Woodward, I'm gonna set the camera down. Scott, just wanted to take her for a run and fill it with gas, and that's it for the season. Man, that hurt. $4.50 a gallon for premium gas. That's what this car needs, a minimum of 91 octane. I just topped the tank off. Yeah, that's nuts. There's no excuse for that. And it's not Democrats, it's not Republicans. I don't want to hear any political comments. It's greed. It's the greed that causes that. Anyway, yeah, that's just nuts, the cost of accelerant. Anyway, we're going to take this back, put it in the storage unit a little bit. When it cools down, I'll go over there and spray the manifolds and carburetor with some WD-40, pull the battery, and put the cover on it. Came back to spray the WD-40 and cover. It came over in the convertible, and here you can see the top boot out in the sun. Anyway, I gotta get I brought a box, put the battery in and my WD-40, and I need a wrench or two to take the battery out. So I think I need a 1/2 inch, a 9/16 and a 1/2 inch. And, let me get the battery out first. I think I'll disconnect it first. I always disconnect the negative first, so if I hit the body with a wrench it doesn't spark. All right, I need both hands here to lift the battery out, so I'm going to turn you off for a moment. Just so you can see, I sprayed the manifolds. I took the air cleaner off and did the carburetor. And I'm going to close the hood and cover it up. There we go, all covered up, hibernated for the winter. And another thing I can complain about on this car is this trunk lip that hangs down. You know, it's kind of, they should have made the trunk off here. I clocked my head on that more times than I can remember, and I just clocked it, putting the battery in, about knocked myself silly. So that's another thing two things I don't like about this car is the trunk lid and the brake pedal. And while I was out, I filled this car up with gas too. The alcohol free I put in this is $3.99 a gallon, so it's almost 50 cents a gallon cheaper than the gas I have to put in the Bel Air. So anyway, back to the house. There we go with the new boot. Go for a short ride. Got a couple of errands I got to run. So I'm obviously taking the Galaxie with the top down. And I might go do a lap on Woodward too. Alright, that's it for this video. If you like the video, definitely hit the like button. If you want to subscribe to my channel, at 348 engine icon that pops up there, that's the engine in the Bel Air. Click that and it'll subscribe you to my channel. And thank you for watching my video.